Hey there, welcome to New Haircut's Problem Framing Toolkit. This toolkit has been designed and built by the team inside New Haircut over the course of years of running problem framing sessions and workshops with our clients. Inside this toolkit are all of the tools and templates and resources that we use still today on a daily basis when we run problem framing sessions. Because of that, every time that we run problem framing sessions, we take all of our learning and insights and any kind of updates that we make to these tools and templates and we put it back into this toolkit. This toolkit is meant to be completely self-serve, something that you can open up, learn, and then implement yourself. What you're looking at is the inside of the toolkit. You can see that there's a table of contents with all of the things that you'll need to get through and really master the art of facilitating a problem framing session. There's a number of videos for you to walk through, just getting you situated and understanding what's inside the toolkit, and then we step through the 9 different steps of our problem framing process. The videos are meant for you to walk through and understand as you're getting ready to facilitate and lead your team through your problem framing session. There's also a few resources that come as downloadables. The first is the Facilitator's Guide. If you are the facilitator and you're planning on running these sessions, this is for you. This is what you'll keep in your back pocket. In the Facilitator's Guide, there's an introduction and a great walkthrough of everything that you can expect and everything that you'll need as a facilitator to get through and plan and run a really successful problem framing workshop. There's also a breakdown of each step, and within each step, we break down what you'll need to do to get set, the activity that's included, why you're doing it, what the activity is all about, how to run it with a minute-by-minute breakdown, pro tips for you to consider as a facilitator for this particular step and activity, and overall the outcome, where you want the team to be by the end of this step. The other thing that's included is a presentation deck. This is what you might share with the team. It's something for them to be able to follow along, to see the activities that they're working through, to make sure they understand the process and understand why they're doing what you're asking them to do. We also include an overall agenda. This is to help you plan your day minute by minute over the course of all the activities, including breaks and energizers and lunches. Finally, the last piece are the digital templates. These templates have been built inside of a tool called Mural. Miro templates are coming in the near future, so stay tuned. These templates can be used in a couple different ways. First, if you're a distributed team, you can use these templates for everyone to join your session remotely and virtually and get through the problem framing session without having to be in the same physical space. It contains all of the 9 steps of the problem framing session, and there are 2 templates included. This is the actual problem framing workshop template. There's also included is the pre-work template, which you do before the problem framing session. That's it. That's everything that's included in the toolkit. We really hope that you enjoy using it and get lots of value out of it. We hope that it helps you and your team unlock your next big idea.